If you're seeking a mobile phone for essential tasks like voice calls and occasional texts, a dumb phone is your best option. A dumb phone is typically an old-fashioned clamshell or candy bar-style device, featuring a small, non-touch display and a physical numerical keypad, a design that predates the iPhone. Despite its simple appearance, a dumb phone houses advanced and sophisticated technology within its plastic housing. It can be a particularly wise choice for protecting impressionable children from social media or helping tech-averse seniors stay connected. While many dumb phones may include a camera, they generally capture low-resolution images or video. When choosing a dumb phone, consider factors like battery life, often measured in days for standby and ranging from 5 to 10 hours for talk time. Higher-end models, though pricier, offer better design, build quality, and features such as improved call quality and security, minus distracting apps. These phones are designed to minimize distractions and simplify life by focusing on essential voice communication. Here are top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Lively Jitterbug Flip 2. The Lively Jitterbug Flip 2 is designed with ease of use and safety in mind, making it an excellent choice for seniors and anyone seeking a straightforward mobile phone. This phone features large numeric keys that are easy to see and press, a dedicated 24/7 urgent response button for emergencies, and live US-based customer service to assist with any issues. Additionally, it comes equipped with a front selfie camera and is lightweight, ensuring it's easy to handle and carry around. However, it's worth noting that the Flip 2 is only compatible with Lively cellular service, which may be a limitation for some users. The Jitterbug Flip 2, when paired with Lively cell service, provides peace of mind for both users and their loved ones. With a $39.99 per month or $49.99 per month plan, users gain access to 24/7 customer support and health and safety emergency services at the touch of a large urgent response red star button, conveniently located beneath the phone's large keypad keys. This feature is particularly useful for emergencies. Number 4. Kyocera DuraXV Extreme Plus. The Kyocera DuraXV Extreme Plus is designed to withstand the toughest conditions, making it an ideal choice for those who need a durable and reliable mobile phone. This flip phone is military standard 810H rated, ensuring resistance to dust, shock, vibration, temperature extremes, icy rain, low pressure, solar radiation, salt, fog, humidity, freeze-thaw cycles, and icing freezing rain. It is drop-proof up to 5 feet onto concrete and rated IP68 for dust and waterproof protection, withstanding submersion in up to 6.5 feet of water for 30 minutes. Additionally, it is approved for use in hazardous locations with concentrations of flammable gases. The DuraXV Extreme Plus is not only rugged but also highly functional. Its large keys are designed for easy use, even with gloves on, making it suitable for harsh working environments. The phone's push-to-talk (PTT) capabilities transform it into a walkie-talkie, allowing instant communication with other DuraXV users. This feature is particularly useful in fieldwork and construction settings. The extra-loud speakerphone ensures clear conversations in noisy environments, or when holding the phone to your ear is impractical. Furthermore, the DuraXV Extreme Plus can act as a mobile hotspot, supporting up to 10 devices, which is convenient for team-based tasks. One of the standout features of this phone is its impressive battery life, providing up to 2 days of talk time. This is particularly beneficial for users who may not have regular access to charging facilities. Despite its robust design and functionality, the DuraXV Extreme Plus has some drawbacks. It is relatively heavy and has a small screen, which may not be ideal for all users. Additionally, it is available only through Verizon, which limits carrier options. Number 3. Punkt MP02. The Punkt MP02 is a smart choice for those who prioritize digital security and minimalist design. This phone focuses on providing simple and secure mobile communications, making it ideal for users concerned about their privacy. The Punkt MP02 is equipped with a proprietary operating system and software designed to create encrypted internet-based calls and texts via Wi-Fi or your cellular connection, ensuring that your data and communications remain safe from prying eyes. This level of security comes at a price, as the Punkt MP02 is about 4 times more expensive than standard dumb phones. The candy bar-styled Punkt MP02 is not only digitally secure but also physically robust. Its tough construction includes a rubbery trapezoidal rear that is easy to grip and a matte polycarbonate chassis reinforced with glass fiber to protect it from drops. This unique design makes the phone both aesthetically pleasing and durable. Available in light blue, light gray, or basic black, the Punkt MP02 caters to different personal styles. Despite its strengths, the Punkt MP02 has some limitations. It does not have a camera, which might be a drawback for users who occasionally need to take photos. Additionally, the phone has a relatively short battery life, providing only 2 hours of talk time and 180 hours of standby time. This might require more frequent recharging compared to other dumb phones. Number 2. Wisephone II. The Wisephone II stands out in the realm of dumb phones by incorporating a large, high-resolution touchscreen, which is unusual for this category. Ideal for avid texters, the 6.49-inch color touchscreen displays an alphanumeric keypad, making it easier to type messages compared to traditional physical keypads. This updated version of the original Wisephone, which is no longer available, offers more than just a convenient texting interface. Beyond basic texting, the Wisephone 2 includes full GPS and mapping capabilities, a Notes app, and a superior viewfinder and display for capturing and viewing high-resolution photos. These features are uncommon in other dumb phones, which typically focus on minimal functionality. However, the Wisephone 2 maintains the core philosophy of dumb phones by excluding addictive apps, ensuring that users can enjoy a more focused and distraction-free mobile experience. The Wisephone 2 can be pre-ordered for delivery and is available with 3 service plans priced at $24.99, $44.99, and $69.99, each offering access to a wider variety of smart services. One significant limitation is that the Wisephone 2 is only available through its own website and requires subscribing to its specific service plans, which may limit flexibility for some users. Number 1. Nokia 2780 Flip. The Nokia 2780 Flip is a feature-rich flip phone that exceeds expectations, especially considering its under $100 price point. Designed primarily for voice communication, this phone offers access to the latest 4G voice technologies, ensuring clear conversations with ample volume through both the phone's earpiece and its extra-loud speakerphone. It combines a simple, easy-to-use interface with essential modern features, providing a modern twist on the classic flip phone now enhanced with 4G connectivity. The Nokia 2780 Flip features a dual-screen design, internal and external color screens, that make texting and caller identification easy and convenient. Built to high durability standards, it is designed to withstand everyday bumps and knocks. Accessibility features such as big buttons, hearing aid compatibility, and real-time text ensure usability for everyone. A dedicated side button can be programmed to quickly dial a loved one in case of emergency. Additional features include an FM radio, a 3.5mm audio jack for music listening, and up to 18 days of standby time from a single charge, making it reliable even if used infrequently. The phone offers 7 hours of talk time and supports browsing the internet and using apps over 4G. Voice over LTE or VoLTE technology ensures high-definition voice calls. It also includes a loudspeaker with adjustable volume and a 5MP rear camera for basic photography needs, including video recording and playback. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.